Welcome back, travelers. In today's adventure, we travel to Six Flags Hurricane Harbor, located right next to Six Flags Great Adventure on the Six Flags Great Adventure resort property. This video was filmed on Sunday, May 31st. We'll just do a walk around of the water park because you really can't film on any of the rides. So come along with us as we walk around. We also will go to the new food location.
Coffee stain on my old passport, smells like stories I can't tell. Roll it back, chasing through the terminal, shoes untied, you're laughing hard. We trade seats for window magic, the clouds stack up like a postcard. We got a ticket to every road, every ride, every day. Hands up high, let the world spin wide. I'm a runaway heart, you're a fearless smile. From the gate to the gate to the breaking door. Love feels like an amusement park.
I'm surprised that's open because Hershey's isn't.
They haven't opened theirs yet?
No, they have not.
It's got to be staffing.
Yeah. Emily, we gotta take a picture of you in front of the shark, okay? It's a staple. Because
There's a picture of your mama and your aunt in front of the shark many years ago.
I know, it's a good sand. It's sand. Oh, so that's how they do the height requirements here?
I guess so.
So, technically. Not 48. See, those sounds are so good. Oh, we answered? I wish I had the new slides over here.
Okay. I think you got to go over the bridge and then turn towards.
This way, right?
No, I think you got to go over this bridge and then turn towards the family. Is there? Oh. I don't know. Don't quote me. I haven't been here in years.
No, come on. Take a break for what? Oh, wow, it is open. Malia, look. Come over here, girls. Look. They got kitty slides for you.
Oh my god!
Well, Hershey doesn't have these kind of slides, though.
Oh my god, they have it?
Yeah, they're like little kitty slides.
Mommy.
And then you also have the play structure on the other side of the park.
But that's what I said. They I feel like it's
We should have went to the safari first. That wasn't thinking. I didn't think she wanted to do it.
She never mentioned it.
Never mentioned it. I know she wanted to swim in the water. That's the only thing I like about this park too, is you can swim without the floaties, but at Hershey you can't. You need to have a floaties. You see the difference between this and Hershey is you can swim like that, Malia, but at Hershey you can too. Be diving in,
Yeah, because you got to get over. You could have walked around.
do what you gotta do. His shoe fell off.
He almost went back in. That's why we're walking around, to see if you're.
You know you're calling up for the one in Hershey.
No, let's go again.
We know you're tall enough for the big slide complex there. That wide one, because that's 42.
Oh, that's 42 too.
So she's tall enough for that.
Tall enough for that, yes.
You're tall enough for this, no, Malia.
4 feet. We need 3 people. Yeah, right.
Funny thing is, how tall is Nova?
I would have to go up there and read it.
So safety signs for tornado and the other thing are right there. But I think they're both 48.
I know I think the swimming pool is. Here. You guys stand the best right here. I'll go up there and read it.
Okay.
I'm gonna go up there and read it. Okay, so these pools they
48.
have to wear life jackets.
Yeah. This used to be Cobra or King Cobra or whatever it was, the ride that they had trouble getting permits for.
You wanna go in the swimming pool? Alright, we gotta get your life jacket, okay?
Can we get food first?
You wanna get something to eat? You guys should go get some food. And I'll get something in a minute. Okay? You guys wanna sit?
Yeah.
So is this a new one?
Yeah, this is good.
Which is kind of what I thought.
Why is that? The outside owned?
No idea. You are asking the wrong person.
Funny how whatever she's hiding, you know that?
Uh-huh.
So they tell you the express between women. How people laugh. Oh, that's what I'm hearing.
That's why.
I honestly truly think right next to you. Or take it easy creek.
Yeah. It's always been called Take It Easy Creek. Yep.
Is it here?
Uh-huh.
Exactly. sounds weird.
What? That concludes the fun adventures, travelers. Until our next adventure, like, subscribe, and ring the bell notification to be notified about our future uploads. Thank you for watching.